Hello children, welcome back. This is Maushami Chakravarti and today I would like to discuss with you on the topic Forms of Business Organization Part 6. If you have not gone through my previous video, go to my channel and watch it. Public company. A public company is a company which is not a private company, has a minimum paid up capital of 5 lakh rupees or such higher amount as may be prescribed by the government. We can say it has separate legal entity, easy transferability of share, a perpetual succession, higher scope of expansion, and a wider legal capacity. Privileges of a private company. Some of the important privileges of the private company include number of members, number of directors, exemption from prospectus, no minimum subscription, exemption from certificate to commence business and statutory meeting, exemption from index of members granting loans, and provision regarding the classes of shares. Difference between public and private company include public company, it starts with 7 and maximum unlimited. There are 3 directors and the minimum paid up capital is 5 lakh. It is compulsory membership and transferability of the share is sometimes problem. So there is no restriction in transfer of the share. It can be easily transferred to one person to another. It can invite the public to subscribe its shares or debentures. On the other hand, when we talk about private company, it starts with a minimum of 2 members and maximum 50. They have only 2 directors and the minimum paid up capital is 1 lakh. It is not compulsory and it is there the restriction in the transfer of the shares. It cannot invite the public to subscribe its shares as well as the debentures. Difference between different forms of organization, that is sole trader, partnership, Hindu undivided family firm, cooperative society, and a company. Formation. When we talk about sole tradership, less formalities and easy formation, only one member is required. It has limited capital, unlimited liabilities, and decisions are entirely taken by the owner. When we talk about partnership, it is optional for registration. It can be either written or oral. The members are minimum 2, maximum 20 and 10 in case of banking business. There are more number of partners to contribute capital and as a result unlimited liabilities again borne by the partners. Decisions are taken by all the partners with the consent. Joint Hindu undivided family firm, no registration but easy to start because the family business continues. It is minimum 2 members and maximum no limit. It is ancestral assets are taken into consideration for capital contribution. The liability only rests unlimited for the kartas and other having limited liability. As such, the decision and the management controls are in the hands of karta. Cooperative society, its legal formalities and registrations are needed in the formation of cooperative society. The members minimum starts from 10 and maximum no limit. They have a limited capital contribution and the liabilities are also limited. Decisions are taken by the elected representative. On the other hand, company registrations are required, which is expensive and a lengthy procedure. Private company minimum members are 2, maximum 50. Public minimum 2, maximum no limit. It has a huge capital contribution and the liabilities are limited because the number of members are more. The owners and the managers take different decisions and they look into the affairs of the business. The next part of the chapter will be continued in my next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.